Hi, everyone. Welcome to English Conversations, the place where English comes alive through real, practical conversations. Here you'll find easy to follow dialogues, everyday phrases, and tips to help you speak English more confidently. Whether you're a beginner or just want to polish your fluency, we are here to guide you step by step. Hi, good morning. I'm in a bit of a hurry. Could I get a sandwich to go, please?
Of course, which sandwich would you like?
I'll have the chicken sandwich, please. And could I get a small coffee with it?
Sure. Would you like anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you. How much do I owe you?
That will be $8.50, please.
Here you go. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Here's your order. Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a great day too. Follow English Conversations for daily English tips in a fun way.